An intense debate has emerged in Kenya after 3 judges from the Court of Appeal proposed an amendment to the Sexual Offences Act to have the age of consent lowered from 18 years to 16 years. As Raquel Muigai reports, many parents and teachers have expressed apprehension over this, saying this could expose small girls to the difficulties associated with pregnancies, motherhood and early marriage.
It is at the Court of Appeal where a man found renewed hope after being sentenced to 15 years for impregnating a 15-year-old girl. 3 judges overturned that ruling 5 years into serving his sentence and ordered his release. The 3 judges, Daniel Musinga, Roslyn Nambuye and Patrick Kyage, questioning the penal provisions in the Sexual Offences Act No. 3 of 2006. According to judgment delivered on the 22nd of March this year, many other jurisdictions criminalize only sexual conduct with children of a younger age than 16 years. They further compared the reasoning applied when the English House of Lords in the UK had the case of a woman against a doctor who offered contraceptives to 5 15-year-old girls without parental consent. It was said that the young ones might not have attained the age of maturity, but they may well have reached the age of discretion to make intelligent and informed decisions about their lives and their bodies. Despite that, a section of Kenyans are not taking that matter lightly.
Sasa watakuwa na mzigo mzito sana. Haifai juu sasa huyo si bado mtoto. Sasa akienda hivi saa ingine apate mtoto. Si ni mtoto kwa mtoto.
Why can't we wait for our children to grow? Why do we declare them adults before they actually become adults? I don't see the motivation myself.
Teachers who also spend a lot of the time with the young ones say such a proposal will curtail their right to education.
That's a Form 2 student in most cases. No? And they will say the girl gave consent and the law allows them. So you'll do nothing. You'll end up with so many pregnancies in school.
I not expect a 16-year daughter of mine to bring boys in my home and begin telling that after all anaruhusiwa. Hapana.
John Chigiti, a children's advocate, maintains that such a proposal need to have understood the background as to why the initial age was put at 18 years.
What sex will do to an underage is affect their right to education. That child will drop out of school. Sex underage will expose them to abortion and obviously interfere with the reproductive health rights of that child. If we reduce it to 16, next year we'll reduce it to 14, and the other year we'll reduce it to 12, and eventually you know where that will end up at.
With many doubting the viability of such a proposal, it is a discussion that has put on the spot the responsibility of the society in safeguarding children's rights. Raquel Muigai, Citizen TV, Nairobi.